sound shadowing practice.
Book. I read a book. I read a book. Good. This is a good idea. This is a good idea. Put. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Foot. My foot hurts. My foot hurts. Push. Push the door. Push the door. Pull. Pull the rope. Pull the rope. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Foot. The cat stepped on my foot. The cat stepped on my foot. Goodness. Goodness, that was fast. Goodness, that was fast. Bookstore. I went to the bookstore. I went to the bookstore. Wood. The chair is made of wood. The chair is made of wood. Cook. I cook every night. I cook every night. Footing. Be careful of your footing. Be careful of your footing. Hook. Hang the picture on the hook. Hang the picture on the hook. Lookout. There is a lookout point. There is a lookout point. Goodbye. I said goodbye to her. I said goodbye to her. Footstep. I heard a footstep. I heard a footstep. Push-up. He did 10 push-ups. He did 10 push-ups. Booklet. I bought a booklet. I bought a booklet. Wooden. The box is wooden. The box is wooden. Bush. There is a bush outside. There is a bush outside. Looker. She is a good looker. She is a good looker. Footwear. My footwear is new. My footwear is new. Goodwill. They showed goodwill. They showed goodwill. Hooked. I'm hooked on this book. I'm hooked on this book. Looked. She looked happy. She looked happy. Woodwork. He likes woodwork. He likes woodwork. Pushcart. The vendor used a pushcart. The vendor used a pushcart. Cookbook. I bought a new cookbook. I bought a new cookbook. Woodland. He lives near a woodland. He lives near a woodland. Footwears. Their footwears are clean. Their footwears are clean. Bushes. The garden has many bushes. The garden has many bushes. Hooking. He is hooking the fish. He is hooking the fish. Lookout. The soldiers used a lookout. The soldiers used a lookout. Footbridge. They crossed the footbridge. They crossed the footbridge. Goodman. The goodman welcomed us. The goodman welcomed us. Woodpile. There is a woodpile outside. There is a woodpile outside. Cookery. She enjoys cookery. She enjoys cookery. Woodcut. The artist made a woodcut. The artist made a woodcut. Footnote. See the footnote. See the footnote. Pushback. There was pushback from the team. There was pushback from the team. Goodbyes. We said our goodbyes. We said our goodbyes. Footloose. He is footloose today. He is footloose today. Woodwork. He enjoys woodwork. He enjoys woodwork. Pushy. He is pushy sometimes. He is pushy sometimes.
Keep practicing. See you in the next video.